Hello everyone, take two pieces of cardboard paper, then add an ovular line to the base of your sheet. Add crayon-like shapes to it as well, and then add these little square shapes and then rectangular shapes as well. Add wheels to each of them and then add smoke coming out of one of them. Make it look like it is transferring pineapples and watermelons as such. Add the detailing to it. Next, take this purple ball of clay and then flatten it on a white circular sheet of paper. Then add green little bits to it all around. Add white clay to the side of it and then surround it with this purple clay. Next, take some blue paper and then roughly cut it out as such. Make the shape out of it, dip it in white paint, that is dip tissue paper in white paint, and then smudge it onto it as such. Now take some yellow clay and then spread it out in the shape of a star. Add red dots all around it and then add a smiley face to it. In the side, you may also add a little crab to it. Now add little shells all around as well. Next, take this kind of paper and then cut out leaf-like shapes out of it. We have made petal-like shapes and then colored them in light pink. After this, take some green clay, spread it out onto a circular white sheet of paper, make multiple of these and then make lines onto it. Now add glue to the side and then stick on your pink little petals that you have created. Add on little details on the side. Next, take a cup and then take a brown sheet of paper, make the shape of a cup onto the brown sheet of paper and then make check shapes out of it. Now take some yellow clay and then make little balls out of it and spread it all around in layers. It should look like a sunflower by the end of it. Add the stem and the leaves on the side and the bottom using some green clay. Next, take a cylindrical shape of green clay, spread it all around your white circular sheet of paper, spread it out as such. Now make little swirls out of red clay and then add it on either side. Add a head to it and then add legs as well. Make it into a flamingo, add flowers all around. Next, take a green sheet of paper and then cut it out in the shape of leaves. Add it to a brown circular sheet of paper, then add black lines all around as such. Using clay, make more stems to it and then make this maze-like structure out of it. Now add a little ladybug to it as well out of clay. Now take a black marker and then make these swirly lines or rather curvy lines on one side of it. Now stick two balls of clay together, white clay, and then stick them multiple times all around. Add hands and legs to them, then take some green clay and make their scarves out of it in different colors as such. This will be the final look. Thank you for watching.